Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this morning I woke up and I was scrolling on Instagram last night and was just feeling a dark, winged out, smoky eye. I think I want to play around with browns. I'm probably going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. I just love the browns that are in these two palettes. I'm not sure if I'm going to use both or not, but we'll just see. And I'm also feeling a dark lip, but I'm kind of on the fence if I want to do a dark lip, like dark brown lip, or if I want to do a nude lip. So we will figure that out when the time comes. I did just do a video with the James Charles palette. I will leave that link below, as well as James Charles information linked down below too. I know his palette restocks tomorrow, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, just so you guys are aware. And yeah, so if you guys like videos like this where we just hang out, get ready together, then don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my videos. And we're just gonna go ahead and get this video started. So, brown smoky eyes, let's do it. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my lids. And I'm just using a concealer to do so. I really enjoy doing this because it just helps cancel out any redness on my lids and hides the veins and stuff. So that is why I do that. I'm gonna grab just a sponge to help blend that out. So I was on Instagram last night, like I was saying, and just, I saw so many like brown smoky eyes. Holly Boon just did one too on her channel. I will leave that linked down below. And I saw another one that someone else did on Instagram and was just like, okay, the universe is trying to tell me to do a brown smoky eye, and that's what I'm gonna do. Just patting that on the lids. Okay, so our lids are primed. I think the first thing I'm gonna go into is, let's see, I'm gonna go into the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take a transition color. We'll do this color and this color mixed together. Tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna go straight into the crease with this color using circular motions. I still am using a light hand. I'm not like pressing too hard on this. And I know my face is breaking out, like, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it. Alright, so I'm just blending this up into that crease area, taking it a little bit higher, just because I really want this look to be blown out and very dramatic. I am going to be using a more dramatic lash today too. I found my, I don't know where they were hiding, but I found my Lilly lashes in Miami. So I want to use those too. I can't believe it's almost Christmas time. Like, it's insane to me. Doing the same thing on the other eye, just blending it straight into that crease area and blending it a little bit higher. All right, so with a different brush, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette now, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here called Mocha. And I'm gonna again blend this into the crease. So I first go in, lay down the color, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and use that circular motion and blend it to help deepen it up. A little bit more of mocha on a different brush. And again, blend that into that crease area. I am taking that color all the way in. Picking up a little bit more again, doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so once you have, what was that color? Mocha, I think it was called. Yeah, once you have mocha laid down in your crease how you want it, we're gonna go ahead and add a shimmer color. So I actually have not used my Too Faced chocolate bar palette in a very long time. So I pulled that out and I think I want to use Love and Cocoa, which is this color right here. And I'm going to go in pretty generously with that color, and I am going to use it dry at first and just place this on the lid. And then what I'm gonna do is go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and grab this color right here. And going to spray my brush. This is MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to place that on my lid. And I am patting, I'm not wiping, I'm just patting it on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of winged liner. This is the Maybelline gel liner in Black is Black. So I'm going to do that really quick and I will be right back because you guys, I get so close to the mirror, you guys aren't gonna be able to see anything, so I'll be right back. All right, so my wing liner is done. Probably not even, but they're done. I'm taking Central Park. Yeah, Central Park from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out this liner. Now I'm just gonna glue up some Lilly lashes and then do my face, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the look with you guys. These Lilly lashes are in the style Miami and they are so pretty. It's like a wispy looking lash like that. So pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna glue those up really quick, put those on, and I will be back to finish off the rest of the eyes with you guys. I'm not gonna do like a full face because it's the same thing that I have been doing. Nothing really has changed. And yeah, so I will be right back. All right guys, so the face is done pretty much. Just have to go in and set it. I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline gel liner. I'm going to put this in my waterline. This is just like the easiest, and this stuff is no joke black. So this is what I'm going to use. Like that, and then what we're gonna do is smudge this out, of course. Going to take a small pencil brush, if I can find it. Okay, got it. I'm gonna dip back into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and we're gonna pick up this color right here. That one is called Cocoa Truffle. And I'm just gonna put this up against my waterline with that black and really smudge it out. Oh, I hate this part. All right, so now I'm dipping into Decadent, which is a very, very black shade. And I'm gonna, again, press this against my waterline. All right, guys, so I just hopped off really quick and did my hair. Now we're gonna move on to the lip. I'm gonna grab my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Natural Cream, and just outline my lips. Like so. And then I'm just gonna go in with a lipstick because my lips are so dry right now. A liquid lip is just not good. So this is the Maybelline 545 lipstick in Beige Babe. It just looks like that. It's a very pretty nude color. And I'm just gonna blend it in with that lip liner. And then on top of it, I'm gonna put on a gloss. This is the Holly Natasha Boon Cosmetics gloss. This is in the shade Can't Deal. And she did such a good job on these glosses. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna put this on top. Alright guys, so once your lip is on, the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed doing this look with me, watching me do it, whatever. I just hope you enjoyed it. And I will try and get this look up for you guys as soon as I can. I'm gonna just go ahead and start editing it once I'm done. And if you guys have any video requests for me, leave them in the description box below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me, please. I always appreciate it and it does help me out. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and also be sure to hit the post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.